Hey guys, hope you are doing well today. Bitcoin reached 55,000 US dollar and also Ethereum 3,600 US dollars. So the market is looking really good. Few altcoins are lagging, but this is how Bitcoin is stealing the show from the odds, but nothing wrong with this. We will take a look into the Bitcoin dominance chart and analyzing few major altcoins. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, DeFi, NFT, altcoin gems every day to keep you updated and educated. Nothing in this video can be considered as a financial advice. This is just only for education and entertainment. Please subscribe to the channel that you will be notified. Smash the bell and the notification all, and please smash the like, push the thumbs up, and then I'm sharing my screen. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this crypto. So our favorite bubble charts looking really good. Just Hex is dumping a little bit, but Hex did a nice run in the past months when all altcoins and Bitcoin dropped. And you see Shiba is still up almost 30%. Arweave started to pump up 20%, and Bitcoin Gold, BTCB, so Bitcoin forks are pumping well. Phantom is doing well, up 10%. HBTC, another Bitcoin fork, doing well. Clay is just rallying, and also we see Bitcoin up 8%. So, and also Monero is up. So good to see that how altcoins are pumping, and we know that few are just consolidating, but we expect when Bitcoin will just keep some break, then definitely altcoins will follow. So our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, showing us that we are back in the greed zone at 68, and then it's in the greed zone. Also yesterday it was 59, yes, that was also greed. But you remember just a week ago, the index was here on the lowest territory in the extreme fear zone at 2024. And you know when the extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried, and usually this is a great buying opportunity. When investors are getting greedy, that's it due for correction, but just we are getting greedy, so hope we will be greedy in the entire Q4. So let's go and check our first news. Bitcoin price pushes through 51,000 US dollar, extending bulls short-term targets to 56,000 US dollar. So we almost reached. So we will check the trading view chart. So we almost reached the 56,000 US dollar. So that was a short-term target, and Bitcoin almost reached this target. And Bitcoin made a new higher high. That was this high at the beginning of September before the drop, and Bitcoin just reached that and now consolidating above these levels. Okay, so Bitcoin to 100,000 is less than a 2x from current price. Let that sink in before it. Yes, so definitely just 2 times far away. Hold your horses, bulls still need to reclaim 55,000. Yes, that's happened, and technicals looks really bullish. At this point, there are two possibilities. Either bulls get back in the game, push BTC above 55,000, and we can expect to reach toward the 64 all-time high soon after, or they remain skeptical about the move from 4,000 to 48,000 in just 2 minutes and may not have enough firepower to go past 53 and 55,000 US dollar, at which point BTC could just go back in the middle of its 5 months old 40 to 50,000 range. So yes, so now we are about 55,000, but this pullback can definitely happen, that Bitcoin can pulling back to 44 and 48,000 US dollar. Long-term range, high targets $320,000 US and above. So this is the range high. This is from Pentoshi, and this is the range high. So Bitcoin is moving up in this upper trending channel, and now we are on the middle or just a little bit under the middle of this channel, and then the target of this upper trend line is at $320,000 US. Range trading is clean, but when BTC trends hard, it trends. These are my ranges on the macro, looking to take the range highs. So these are the levels, and these are the range highs. Cool. That would mean overall capitalization stands at 2.2 trillion, and Bitcoin dominance rate is 43.5%. So this is good. So the entire crypto market cap is now about 2.2 trillion. Our next piece of news is that Mr. Wonderful's crypto allocation is now larger than his gold holdings. Who is Mr. Wonderful? Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary stated that crypto for the first time is more than gold for me, and doesn't see a situation where crypto goes away as a result of regulation. So Kevin O'Leary first was neutral for Bitcoin, and he hasn't he had no Bitcoin in the past, and now just they turned into perma Bitcoin and crypto bull. And now, let's quote, I have 5% in gold. Crypto for the first time is more than gold for me, and I'm going to keep my gold. I see no reason to sell it. So he has more crypto than gold, but he will not sell his gold. Okay, so you believe in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the blockchain, or don't. If you don't, stay in gold as a hedge. If you do it into it, he said. For the first time ever, my crypto exposure is greater than gold. So this is definitely huge. I'm now going to be at 7%, hopefully by year end. So I'm a believer in it. I am an investor in it. I put many bets out with different companies. Now they are developing products in these areas, and I'm pretty comfortable with where I sit. So he starts to understand how crypto projects developing and pushing crypto adoption further, and just serving the economy with a more reliable and friendly and freedom type of value. Okay, so the productivity enhancement that are available through cryptocurrencies and the entire infrastructure of decentralized finance are far too interesting for even governments. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So I think banks are getting interested in DeFi and NFTs, and definitely governments will come as well. Just some time is needed to understand then what it is good for it. So large pump coming to Bitcoin, hints BTC price metric, but maybe not until December. And stochastic RSI, all but copies moves that spark 2013's all-time highs, but hodlers may be kept waiting until the very last minute this year. Okay, so stochastic RSI sees especially bullish cross, and I think this will be from TechDev. And Bitcoin had its second bullish monthly stochastic RSI cross between 20 and 80 this cycle, an especially bullish cross, September 2021 and May 2020. TechDev commented alongside a chart showing the action. This cross only happened 2 other times in history. You guessed it, September 2013 and May 2012. Large pumps followed all 3 previous crosses. So let's make this chart bigger. And that was this bullish overcross, and 2,700% increase, and then another bullish stochastic crossover, and then 770% increase to the top in 2030. And now we see this crossover. We saw it last year, May, and that was until now, that was a 450% increase. And then what will come next? So this is the big question. All quiet till December. Also, Rect Capital says that Bitcoin could rally to 63,500 in October. This is also exactly what Plan B predicted. Then retrace to the low mid 50s in November, then break out to new all-time highs. So this is from Rect Capital. And Plan B forecasts demand 63,000 for October, 98,000 US dollar for November, and at least 135,000 US dollar for December monthly close. And he exactly predicted September and August prices. So that's huge. Let's go forward. And what about what do we have here? Yes, the Soros George, so Soros Fund Management. Soros Fitzpatrick says firm not putting money into China. So Soros is one of the biggest hedge fund and fund management company, and they are not putting money in China. And also Mr. Soros is warning investors that investing in China is getting more and more volatile and risky. And Fitzpatrick has been at the helm of the 27 billion fund for 4 years. Almost all the money she oversees on behalf of the Open Society Foundations. The philanthropy Soros uses promote democracy, equality, and human rights. Okay, so quote, cryptocurrencies have gone mainstream. We own some coins, not a lot, but the coins themselves are less interesting than the use cases of DeFi and things like that. So they are holding some coins, but they are more interested in DeFi and things like that, NFTs, farming, staking, and all this stuff. And guys, don't remember that Soros George is a speculator and a manipulator. Actually, he manipulated British pounds, and that is why British pounds just went really deep when Great Britain just lost their control to keep the British pound rate to US dollar. And then maybe it's a good that Soros George is entering crypto. Maybe it's not. If he's planning some manipulation here, that it's not the best. But if you just want to learn and want to get some exposure, then we can agree that good that these billionaires are coming. Piece of news is Cardano undervalued relative to Ethereum, Grayscale report says. So, what a surprise. A new Grayscale research report argues that Cardano may be undervalued relative to Ethereum. The report points out that Cardano's on-chain metrics have grown in strength over the last 12 months. The third largest cryptocurrency on the market has seen a significant uptick in both usage and user adoption. So this is what will come after the Alonso hard fork, that we will see new applications, DeFi, NFT applications, platforms are launching on Cardano, and then using the Cardano ecosystem, providing value and building up network effect, and that will definitely push Cardano further. Now, I also see that was a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and many investors sold their Cardanos and dumped the price. But this is the time where Cardano can be a good buy. But this is not a financial advice, as I already mentioned. Ethereum NFT market OpenSea hits best day in a month as crypto towards sales surge. After quite a quieter September. NFT trading volume is rising again, and the hottest new project is pixel towed profile pictures. So these are selling wide. Leading NFT marketplace OpenSea had its larger day, and Ethereum-based NFT project CryptoAds by Grimplin led the charge with over 19 million worth of volume in a single day. Okay, so this is definitely huge. Cool, guys. So, and don't forget that CorionX is also did a partnership with LuxFi, and let's check what LuxFi is doing. Not here, but where is LuxFi? Yeah, so here is LuxFi. So CorionX did a partnership with LuxFi, and LuxFi is a marketplace for NFT projects. So definitely check out our partnership, and also you can get free lottery ticket if you are using our promo code. So definitely just join our channel, check out these partnerships that we posted a few days ago, maybe here. Yes, CorionX LuxFi partnership, and also you find the Medium blog here. Open this link and open this Medium blog, and then you will see further information that you can bid from 0.01 ETH for one lottery ticket. But if you are using CorionX promo code, this is the link where you can sign up. But if you use CorionX free promo code, that you will get free lottery tickets instead of one. So definitely use this promo code to purchase your lottery tickets. Okay, what is the next news today? Circle reveals cooperation in ongoing SEC investigation. So we know that the SEC is investigating Circle, the issuer of USDC stablecoin, and in addition, in July 2021, we received an investigative subpoena from the SEC Enforcement Division requesting documents and information regarding certain of our holdings, customer programs, and operations. We are cooperating fully with their investigation. So this is quite interesting because I think that Circle USDC has a license, and also they are approved by regulators, but maybe not by the SEC, but other organizations that they are just regulating the commodity-related things, not the financial ones. Sometimes SEC is arguing with the commodity regulations that who is responsible for crypto, but we'll see. Okay, our next piece of news is fifth largest US retail bank to launch Bitcoin custody services. This is the US bank. So if you are living in the US, today the fifth biggest retail bank in the nation, US bank, is expected to announce that its Bitcoin custody services are available to fund managers. So this is huge. So they are providing crypto custody, and this is a new way of banking. So guys, this is a new way of banking, and all of the banks will providing crypto services very, very soon. So let's check my Twitter. I share a few interesting stuff here. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dankler, and also definitely follow Corion platform, CorionX. So this is also from TechDev. This is a chart that representing gold and Bitcoin, and this is the week 53 that an asset referred to as digital gold, Bitcoin, and the actual gold from 50 years ago. And this is the continuation that Bitcoin can follow as digital gold if it will mimic gold's movement, and then it will go to 5 billion market cap at the end of at the middle of so at the beginning of next year, so somewhere in February, if this chart is right. Okay, let's check this. This is some charting for just doing something with waves and similar like Elliott waves. And you see that the fifth waves is how big and are always resulting and just working out in Q4. And now we entered in Q4. And if this chart is accurate, that Bitcoin will somewhere around 300,000 US dollar. Okay, so we do have this from TechDev as well. Yes, we already have seen this in the article. So these are this bullish crossovers on the stochastic RSI, and then it can lead this huge bump that will come very, very soon. Yes, and this is another chart also from TechDev that you should definitely watch the Fibonacci levels, the 1.272 and the 2.272. And every time that was a dip, and that was a top, that was a dip in 2017, and the top at 20,000 US dollar Bitcoin price. Now we had the dip in July, and the top 2.272 would be around somewhere just 200, a little bit about 200,000. And also this is correlated somehow to the stock to flow asset model. Yes, we have this other chart that mimicking the Wyckoff distribution, Wyckoff accumulation pattern. That was the spring here, the lowest levels, and now we are back, and also we have this bull flag, and now we are in the phase E, and somewhere here, maybe when reaching new all-time highs or 100,000 US dollar, then the distribution, the Wyckoff distribution will follow. Okay, on this chart, you see that the white line is the recent cycle, and you see the 2022 cycle, the 2012 cycle, this in the back, and the 2016 cycle, and now we are here. And if this will ending somewhere there, that also it's something around 200,000. Yes, and this is about the total altcoin market caps, so total altcoins, and that was 2017 left mid-cycle correction on July, and then also we had the same in July 2021, and then after that there was this parabolic rise began mid-November and topped mid-January. So definitely, if the history is not repeating but always rhymed, history rhymes, then definitely we something see some similar, and this is almost 5 times upside from here as the chart is showing. So this is, guys, for today, charting and Twitter things, TechDev, and these few guys has really nice content out there. And now let's go and check the Bitcoin price. As we see, Bitcoin broke up from this bull flag and reached our price target exactly as we predicted at 50,600. And then after a short period of consolidation, Bitcoin formed this just a few 400 candles as a bull flag and started to pumping up and reached our next Fibonacci levels at 2 after reaching this 1.618, reaching 2 level 2. So this is definitely huge. Now we will see some consolidation. I also expected some consolidation here because this is our long-term support, upward trending support trend line for Bitcoin that's supporting this bull market. And I expected that after breaking this, some consolidation will occur. But if not yet, but maybe within a few days, I think we will coming back at least to this 52,000 levels, but also a drop back to 48,000 levels wouldn't be wrong for the future healthy price movement. What are other cryptos doing like Ethereum. Ethereum also broke up nicely, hasn't reached our price target yet, but just reached the way on the middle or a little bit higher. So definitely, if you traded this, just good to take some profits. But if you are accumulating Ethereum for long term, that's a good holding for now. And as we see, most of the other altcoins are in red, but a few of them are breaking out, like also Axis Infinity started to pump. Arweave did a nice run up, broke up from here. So this is a nice movement coming back here. And that was a 20% price bump. Big is also bouncing from these lower levels of the trend line against BNB. And what about the Bitcoin dominance? So guys, this is what you definitely should watch. So Bitcoin dominance just visited our target. So that this blue line was our target that I think that can act as a resistance. If Bitcoin will break it, then definitely altcoins will bleeding and Bitcoin will running. But maybe Bitcoin will consolidating and before starting to new all-time highs, and then we will see some pullback and altcoins will rallying. So definitely you should check the Bitcoin dominance, market cap dominance. You should definitely check this chart. What else do we see on this chart? Yeah, so most of the odds are correcting, but I think this is a good shopping time. Go out and shopping some DOT, Kusama, Aaron also just correcting. So I would buy those odds that they are correcting. Phantom is looking good. It's also looking that it wants to break up and just push to new all-time highs. And yes, okay. So the overall market is looking really great. Let's check out Shiba. Yeah, so Shiba did this huge run up, and continuing to go up from here. So I made this on 1st of October with this when Shiba reached this price target at these levels, and then just reached 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, just consolidated a few hours yesterday, and then started to pumping back, consolidated and pumping again. So definitely I expect that Shiba will go higher from here. You see how far are the volumes. And also don't forget that as Dogecoin is just a hard fork from Litecoin and doesn't have any smart contracts, DeFi, NFT capabilities yet. But Shiba, also a meme coin, and having all these DeFi, smart contracts, and NFT capabilities. So definitely check out and just go for it. So guys, this is for today. Definitely join our Telegram group. Check this announcement about the LuxFi partnerships and buy your lottery ticket, and you will get a free lottery for the price of one, and hope you will win these nice NFTs and you will make lots of money with these NFTs. And also don't forget that with your CorionX, you will be able to purchase NFTs on LuxFi platform. So this is for today. I hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Definitely smash the like, share this video with your friends, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.